Hello everyone! Is your car struggling with rough shifting, poor acceleration, or sudden transmission jerks? If your OBD-II scanner has triggered the P0738 error code, torque converter turbine speed sensor circuit high, this means your vehicle's transmission system is receiving incorrect speed data. In this video, I'll explain what P0738 means, the symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors causing this issue. Let's get started. The P0738 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, TCM, detects a high voltage reading from the torque converter turbine speed sensor, TSS. This issue can lead to serious transmission problems, including erratic shifting and increased fuel consumption, hard or delayed shifting, engine RPM fluctuations, transmission slipping or hesitation, poor fuel economy. Check engine light on transmission overheating. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the key components responsible for this error. To diagnose P0738, check these critical components. Torque converter turbine speed sensor, TSS sensor. Location: mounted on the transmission housing near the torque converter. Function: measures the turbine's rotational speed to assist with shifting. Transmission input: speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location: mounted on the transmission case near the input shaft. Function: works with the TSS sensor to determine proper shift timing. Transmission control module, TCM, or powertrain control module, PCM, location: typically under the hood, near the battery or firewall. Function: receives speed sensor data and controls gear shifting. Wiring and connectors location: between the TSS sensor, ISS sensor, and PCM. Function: ensures proper signal transmission. Damaged wiring can cause high voltage errors. Faulty torque converter, turbine speed sensor, TSS. A defective sensor sends incorrect speed signals. Wiring or connector issues: corroded, damaged, or shorted wiring can cause high voltage readings. Defective PCM or TCM, a faulty control module may misread sensor data. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty or low fluid levels affect sensor readings. Torque converter problems: a malfunctioning torque converter disrupts the speed sensor's function. Short circuit in the TSS sensor wiring. A shorted wire can result in excessive voltage. How to fix P0738? Step 1. Check transmission fluid level, low or dirty. ATF can cause shifting issues. Step 2. Inspect the TSS sensor and wiring. Look for any damage or loose connections. Step 3. Test sensor voltage. Use a multimeter to check for high voltage readings. Step 4. Inspect the ISS sensor. Ensure the input speed sensor is working correctly. Step 5. Check the torque converter. If it's failing, it may need replacement. Step 6. Inspect PCM-TCM connections. Look for broken pins or corrosion. Step 7. Reprogram or replace PCM-TCM. If necessary, update or replace the control module. Step 8. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. If left unchecked, P0738 can cause serious transmission damage. Fixing it early helps you avoid costly repairs and keeps your car running smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0732. Gear 2, incorrect ratio, P0733. Gear 3, incorrect ratio. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.